taking control of your AI privacy with confidence. Today, we're going to explore how AI uses your information so you can use these amazing tools safely and confidently. What it means when data is used by AI. It means your data does a quick job and then disappears completely. It's like asking a neighbor to proofread a personal letter. Or it's a temporary helper. The AI looks at your information just long enough to give you an answer, then immediately forgets it. What it means when data is used to train AI. Your data becomes part of the AI's permanent memory. It's like letting that neighbor put your letter in a public library to help teach others. It's the permanent student. The AI system saves your information and studies it to get smarter for future users. The two paths your information can take. It starts with your data. You then use the AI tool, and when it's used by AI, it provides your answer, then vanishes. However, if it's used to train AI, it's stored in the company's system to build future tools. The big difference, used by AI. It acts like a temporary helper. Your data is forgotten immediately, and it's best used for private, everyday tasks. When it's used to train AI, it acts like a permanent student. It memorizes your data for the future, and it's best used when helping the company build better software. AI is already a helpful part of your daily life. You use it for photo lookup, identifying a plant from a picture you took. It's used for document summary, asking AI to summarize a long, confusing manual. You use it for voice search, asking your phone a question aloud. It's used for translation, where it translates a restaurant menu while traveling. You use it for AI chat, asking for new recipe ideas or writing tips. These tools are incredibly useful. The key is simply knowing how they handle your requests. The good news, you hold the power. The exact same tool can do both. The difference isn't always the app you use, it's the privacy setting you choose inside it. The golden rule of sharing. Green light, safe to share. Everyday queries and information already available to the public. Red light, avoid uploading highly sensitive personal, financial, or medical information. Keep these offline. Practical precautions before you click. Look for the gear icon or settings menu when you open a new AI tool. Search for words like history, data usage, or training and turn them off. Take a 2-second pause before sharing. Ask yourself, would I put this on a public bulletin board? Your digital workshop takeaway. AI can use your data to help you now without necessarily training on it later. But don't assume that unless you checked the settings. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy. Stay safe out there.